Hello, I'm Charles Reed, CPA, former member of the IRS Advisory Council, and a United States Tax Court practitioner representing my clients against the IRS. I'm also a Marine veteran, having spent 4 years in the United States Marine Corps, including a combat tour in Vietnam. Enough about me. This is what you came for. The Payroll Book, a guide for small businesses and startups. After 25 years in the payroll business, it was evident that there was no good source for payroll information for small businesses. Now, major corporations had payroll specialists in their payroll departments who had the Payroll Source, a technical reference book for certified payroll processors from the American Payroll Association, for about $600. Nothing for small businesses that was affordable and approachable. So I decided to write one. After 2 years of hard work, and with the help of Wiley, a major publishing house, and my staff, we wrote the book on payroll. The book is designed to be a guide and a reference book for small businesses and startups, so as to be able to navigate the currents and the storms of the payroll seas and keep off that implacable reef that is the IRS. Here's a very small sample of content. The IRS cannot punish you for a simple mistake. The law states they can only penalize you for gross negligence. Now, who gets to decide whether it's gross negligence or not? The IRS says they can. In the end, it may be up to a judge. The burden is on you to prove that it's a simple mistake and get the penalty abated. If you don't know how to do that, then you need to hire an expert or get my book, and that will go through what you have to do to get a penalty reversed. If you'd like to reach out to me, my email address is cjr@getpayroll.com, or you can visit our website at getpayroll.com. Thanks for listening.